Nature holds many wonderful secrets for us. Some are well known, like sunshine and fresh air. Others are hidden, waiting to be found. Mango ginger is one such beautiful secret. It is a special root with a surprising gift. This gift is a lovely, fresh scent. It smells just like a young green mango. This unique quality makes it truly enchanting. It calls to us to learn more. It is a cousin to common ginger and turmeric. We know ginger warms us. We know turmeric heals us. Mango ginger shares their good family traits, but it also has its own special magic. It offers a gentle touch in food. It provides a soothing touch in medicine. It is a plant of balance and harmony. We can find wellness through its use. The story of mango ginger is very old. It begins in ancient lands, especially India. Wise healers knew about this root. They understood its power to heal. Let us journey together into the world of this golden root. Curcuma Amada is the scientific name for mango ginger. It belongs to the ginger family, Zingiberaceae. This family gives us many useful spices. Think of turmeric, ginger, and cardamom. Mango ginger grows from an underground stem. This stem is called a rhizome. The rhizomes are the part we use. They look similar to common ginger, but they're often lighter in color. The plant itself has large, beautiful green leaves. The most special thing about Curcuma Amada is its smell. When you cut or bruise the rhizome, something magical happens. A sweet, tangy aroma fills the air. It is the exact smell of a fresh, unripe mango. This is why it is called mango ginger. It is not related to the mango fruit tree. The name comes purely from this delightful fragrance. This scent makes it very different from common ginger. Common ginger is spicy and pungent. Mango ginger is soft and fruity. Mango ginger grows best in warm tropical climates. It is native to India and parts of Southeast Asia. It needs good rainfall and well-drained soil. It is a true gift from the earth. Ayurveda is an ancient system of healing from India. It is more than 5,000 years old. Ayurveda means the science of life. It teaches us how to live in balance. It focuses on harmony between mind, body, and spirit. Natural remedies are very important in Ayurveda. Plants and herbs play a key role. They help maintain health and treat illness. Mango ginger is one such valued plant. It holds a special place in Ayurvedic wisdom. In Ayurveda, mango ginger is known as Amra Haridra. Amra means mango, and Haridra relates to the turmeric family. Ayurvedic texts describe its properties in detail. It is considered to have a cooling effect on the body, Shita Virya. This is interesting because it tastes pungent, Katu Rasa. Usually pungent things are heating, but mango ginger is different. It is also light, Laghu, and dry, Ruksha, in quality. These properties make it useful for certain imbalances. Ayurvedic practitioners use mango ginger for various purposes. It is especially good for balancing Vata and Kapha doshas. Doshas are the fundamental energies in our bodies. It supports good digestion. Mango ginger's anti-inflammatory power is one of its greatest gifts. It helps reduce inflammation and soothes the body naturally. Mango ginger is also great for digestion. It relieves gas, bloating, and stomach aches. Its antioxidants protect our cells from damage. Mango ginger truly promotes comfort and health. Section 5, a symphony of flavors, mango ginger in traditional kitchens. Mango ginger is not just a medicine, it is also a delightful ingredient in the kitchen. Its flavor is truly unique and captivating. Imagine the fresh, tangy taste of raw green mango. Now add a very mild hint of ginger's warmth. That is the magic of mango ginger. It is not as fiery as common ginger. It is much more subtle and refreshing. This special taste makes it a prized spice. It adds a new dimension to many dishes. In Indian households, mango ginger is famous for making pickles. Fresh mango ginger rhizomes are sliced thinly. They are then mixed with salt, chili powder, and other spices. Lemon juice or vinegar is often added. This pickle is a burst of flavor. It is tangy, slightly spicy, and wonderfully aromatic. It is often eaten as a side with meals. It helps to awaken the palate. It also aids digestion, making it a perfect accompaniment. Besides pickles, mango ginger is used in other ways too. It can be added to chutneys for a fresh, zesty note. Finely chopped or grated mango ginger can be sprinkled over salads. This gives them a surprising and pleasant twist. Section 6. Whispers from the past, ancient remedies and household wisdom. For generations, mango ginger has been a trusted home remedy. Grandmothers and mothers in Indian families knew its secrets. They did not always need complex Ayurvedic texts. They had practical wisdom passed down through time. This wisdom helped them care for their families. They used simple ingredients from their kitchens and gardens. Mango ginger was often one of these cherished remedies. It was always there when needed. One common use was for skin troubles. If a child had a small bruise or a sprain, mango ginger paste was applied. The fresh rhizome would be ground with a little water. This paste was put on the affected area. Its anti-inflammatory nature helped to reduce swelling and pain. It was also used for minor skin irritations or insect bites. It provided a cooling and soothing effect. This simple remedy brought quick relief. It was nature's first aid. Another important application was for digestive upsets. If someone felt bloated or had indigestion, mango ginger came to the rescue. A small piece of the fresh rhizome could be chewed. Section 7. The Veil of Obscurity, Why Mango Ginger Remains a Secret. Despite its wonderful qualities, mango ginger is not very famous. It is not as well known as turmeric or common ginger. Many people outside of India have never heard of it. Even within India, its popularity is more regional. It is like a hidden treasure. It is waiting for more people to discover its charm. There are several reasons for this relative obscurity. Understanding them can help us appreciate it more. One reason is its shelf life. Fresh mango ginger rhizomes are best used quickly. They do not last as long as dried ginger or turmeric powder. This makes it harder to transport and sell in distant markets. Common ginger can be dried and powdered. Turmeric is also widely available as a powder. These forms are very convenient. Mango ginger is mostly used fresh. This limits its widespread availability. Its delicate nature requires more care. Another factor is the scale of cultivation. Mango ginger is often grown on a smaller scale. It is popular in certain local areas. It has not been commercialized as much as its cousins. Turmeric and ginger are major global commodities. Section 8. Modern Renaissance Rediscovering Mango Ginger's Potential. In our modern world, many people are seeking natural solutions. We want to live healthier lives. We are interested in holistic wellness. This is where mango ginger can shine. It fits perfectly with this growing trend. Its gentle healing properties are very appealing. Its unique flavor offers new experiences. It is time for a renaissance of this ancient root. Its potential for today's world is immense. The food industry can find new inspiration in mango ginger. Chefs and food creators can explore its unique aroma. Imagine mango ginger infused oils or vinegars. Think about gourmet pickles and chutneys for a global market. It could be used in health drinks and smoothies. Its refreshing mango-like scent is perfect for beverages. It can also be part of new spice blends. It offers a sophisticated, exotic flavor. This can excite modern palates. There is also great potential in the pharmaceutical and cosmetic fields. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties are valuable. More research can confirm and expand on these benefits. This could lead to new natural medicines. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the golden root for a brighter future. Mango ginger, or Curcuma Amada, is truly a special plant. It delights us with its fresh mango-like aroma. It surprises us with its gentle, warming taste. It nurtures us with its powerful healing qualities. It is a root that connects us to the earth. It reminds us of nature's simple, profound gifts. Its uniqueness lies in this beautiful blend. It is both a culinary joy and a medicinal treasure. We have seen its many facets. This golden root has a rich history. It has been valued in Ayurveda and traditional homes for centuries. This ancient wisdom recognized its ability to soothe and heal. It was used for digestion, for skin, and for overall well-being. This knowledge, passed down through generations, is precious. It shows a deep understanding of nature's pharmacy. In our busy modern lives, this wisdom is more relevant than ever. It guides us to gentle, natural paths to health. It is time to bring mango ginger out of obscurity. It deserves more recognition and appreciation. We can encourage more research into its benefits.